I bet I know why you're still not posting videos, and I guarantee that I know how to fix it. Check this out. All right, like I said, I bet I know why you're still not posting videos, and I'm gonna show you how to fix that. This guy here, he's not posting videos. This guy here, he's been posting videos. You can see they have a big mood difference. This guy is not very happy because he has a message to share and he has goals he wants to accomplish, and he knows creating videos and sharing your message with your own face on camera is one of the best ways to do that. But he's not doing it for whatever reason. He's getting held up. This guy gets over his hump. So if you give me just the next couple minutes, you're going to learn how to be like this guy and be smiling because you're sharing your message and you're realizing your goals with video. One of the possible reasons that you're not posting content is your lust for perfectionism. Maybe that's kind of dramatic, but we'll go with it. A lot of people want to be perfect. You might compare yourself to other creators who do something so much better. They just seem so much more comfortable on camera. Their editing seems super fancy. They're just really animated and they have a really clear message. How do they know what to say? How do they make this so entertaining and engaging? How did they ever get to 100,000 followers and are getting millions of views? Whatever it is, being perfect is something that's going to hold you back. Even if you think you don't have a certain skill set down, like maybe your lighting's not that good, that's holding you back. So how do you fix your lust for perfectionism? This guy here, he wants to be perfect. Know that being good, decent, and done is better than no video, just because you're waiting to be perfect. If you don't publish video because you're trying to be perfect, or you don't think you're good enough yet, or it just seems too complicated or overwhelming, you're worrying about perfectionism. There's a simple way to shoot videos. These days, it's gotten so easy. You just need to have the right system and know the basics and how to avoid the big mistakes. And that's a lot easier to learn than you think. So that's one possibility. A lot of people have this fear, the fear of being seen. You just don't want to be on camera. You don't like how you look. You don't like how you sound. You think you're not a good talker. You're not entertaining like all the other entertaining people out there. This guy, he's worried he's balding. I got stage fright. What's the fix to that? Just get out of your comfort zone. Come on, you're grown up. If you're a kid watching this or you're younger, it's also time to grow up. Get out of your comfort zone. Humans have been communicating with other humans for a long time. And just because we can distribute it remotely now, that's not such a big deal. In fact, it's almost easier because people don't see you performing it live. You can record it and send it out. That's why video is so powerful. You can make sure you at least get a clear message out there. So be brave, get out of that comfort zone, and know that you are your own worst critic. Most people aren't going to judge you as bad as you judge yourself. So if you have this kind of fear of being seen, I encourage you to step out of your comfort zone a little bit. You can start real small and just share little bits. You almost don't even have to talk on camera first. Start with a short reel. Put yourself out there. Have text on the screen to describe whatever it is you're saying. But then when you're feeling ready, try talking and narrating something. It doesn't have to be much, but people like when people are their authentic self. So be that, do that, own it, embody yourself and your strengths, and it's going to go a long way for you. The other thing that could hold people back is tech overwhelm. This guy doesn't know what buttons to push on his camera. Some people might be overwhelmed by the fact that you have to use tech all the time and always be publishing. It's not true. You can publish at your own pace and rhythm. Some consistency can go a long way. It depends on your goals, but you can make it simpler and less stressful. So how to fix that? Just understand video basics. This is important. Video is growing. The ease of distributing video is growing in our world, and it's just a great way to communicate. So learn the basics about what makes a solid, engaging video. Learn your camera basics. So if you're shooting on your phone, a lot of that's automated. There are ways to control camera settings on your phone. But if you're shooting with a mirrorless camera or a DSLR, just learn how your camera functions, where the main controls are. You don't need to know a bunch of fancy stuff, but learn what each camera setting does and where it is on your camera. A lot of these have automated settings too, but I still think it's great to understand the basics so you know what makes a great composition in your video. You know about white balance so that you get your shots right and looking good. Simplify your setup. You don't need to have a big fancy setup with a bunch of gear. You can just use simple basic stuff and it goes a long, long way. So I bet that's one of the reasons that you're getting held up. Let's hop back over to my chair for a little motivational chat. I bet it's one of those things that's holding you up. And if not, it's some variation of it or something very similar. If you want just a quick reference guide to get you through your video shoot efficiently without making the big mistakes, download my video shoot checklist. The link is in the description. Or if you want to go a little bit deeper, I put together a very short free training. The link is also in the description, and it's going to show you how to avoid the big mistakes and how to fix them if you keep making that mistake. You're going to walk away with more clarity and momentum than you have just with this short training. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel. I'm going to be making stuff about videos. I'm going to be making videos about other things too. And I can't wait to share those experiments with you. So I hope to see you on the next one. Talk to you soon.